Hey guys, good morning. I'm drinking my first cup of coffee, flawless mug. Last night when I was cooking dinner, hubby had come home with some groceries and I just threw them all in the refrigerator because I wanted to do just like a quick little grocery haul for you because we were out of, I think I mentioned it in the last vlog that we were out of all of our meats. Like we had nothing. So he went to Central Market where we get all of our meats from, and he picked up two signature sausage mild Italian. I like to throw some of this into my spaghetti meat, like the beef. I'll cook the beef up and then I'll throw some of this Italian sausage in it. So he got two of those. He got, you guys saw I used a lemon last night for my zucchini and shrimp, so he had got me some lemons. He also bought me a whole bunch of limes. You can never have enough limes and lemons to add into your foods. He also picked up more shrimp because I love seafood and I always make like shrimp tacos, super easy to make. Shrimp scampi, you saw I made that last night, so we can never have enough shrimp. I only took two out, but there's I think another bag in there. Also, I have been wanting to, he also got me a huge thing of garlic because I like to use fresh garlic when I can. He also picked up a whole bunch of ground beef. Stop it. He got a whole bunch of these. There's more in the freezer. I just took two out. He did stock us up on our ground beef. I have no room for anything in this kitchen, I swear. And then he also stocked us up on chicken. I guess I got all the beefs out, but he also picked up a whole bunch of chicken breast for us. He picked up some bananas for the girls because they've been asking for bananas. They're kind of green though right now, so I'm gonna keep them hidden so they can get a little ripe. He also picked up some cheese, string cheese from Costco. These for being the Great Value brand. I think this is from Walmart. These are the best tater tots. If you have an air fryer, definitely make these tater tots in the air fryer because they come out so golden and crispy. They're so good. He gets the 5-pound bag because the girls love them. All of the girls, even the twins, they love when I make these in the air fryer. So pick that up. I've also been wanting to make scallops, so he picked up 3 bags of these. So I'll probably make the scallops tonight with some of the yellow squash because I don't have any more of the green zucchini. I only have the yellow one, so I'll probably just mix that with this for tonight. This is what they look like. They're gonna be so yummy. And then he also, from Costco, picked up a big thing of goldfish. And he picked up a huge thing of grapes. And he also picked up a case of Coke Zeros because he enjoys Coke Zero, and every now and again I will drink one. Sorry. He also picked up the new Magnolia Table cookbook by Joanna Gaines for me, so I'm going to switch this one out and put the new one in after I actually go through it. So let me put all this stuff away real quick. Okay guys, so I just looked on Pinterest on a scalp treatment because since we've been under quarantine, we ran out of the Body Shop shampoo and conditioner that I've showed you guys that we use that really helps mine and my husband's scalp. And since we haven't been able to get it, I went ahead and ordered it online like last week, you guys. And tell me why. I just got an email today saying that it just shipped out. So, do you remember that scene from The Breakfast Club where, what's her name? They're in detention and she is shaking her head like this and all you see is flakes. That's how my scalp is right now, you guys. I can literally shake my hair and you'll see nothing but snowflakes fall out of it. My hair I'm gonna probably even cut my hair, the ends today. I'm gonna follow the trend on TikTok where everybody's cutting their hair. I just need to cut like the ends, like they're super dry, and look at all this hair that falls out of my head. That's every day. So it's apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, and a half a cup of apple cider vinegar if you want to do this at home. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then 2 cups of water. And it says just to leave it in your hair for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it starts to tingle. And then you rinse it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. It doesn't smell the greatest because you guys know how apple cider vinegar smells. It's very strong. But I have it here. And I also have, a, what do I have? I have a hair, what do you call it? A shower cap. So I'm gonna put that all in my hair right now and I'll be right back.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feel it.
Okay, so I had to put a little towel because it was like leaking. I smell like apple cider vinegar, but I can already feel it tingling, so 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes because you guys, my scalp is hurt. Second breakfast after their first breakfast and their snack. So this was all of the ends that I trimmed off my hair. Not too bad, but let me tell you what a little trim will do to your hair. Let me show you guys. It feels so good to do that vinegar treatment in it and trim just a little bit of the dry ends. Like, it feels amazing, and it's like bouncy and fresh and feels good. Now I just need a box of dye to cover all these grays because they are crazy. All right, so since I trimmed my hair and fixed it up today, I figured I would do my makeup too. And I'm loving just that little trim, you guys. It makes a big difference. So, and here's my makeup. Not going anywhere, but makes you feel, guys. So it's about 1:48. I'm about to wash up all of the fruits and chop them up.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
All right, so I have onion, garlic, all of my peppers. I have them right here, baby. I have my peppers all cleaned out. You can keep the tops if you want, but I just keep them just to keep everything in there. And then of course another snack for the girls. All right, you guys, so it's 3 o'clock. I ended up just starting the food because I can always just stuff the bell peppers and then put them in the oven to do explain with everything in it. So I already browned the ground beef, I added the onions, and then I added the garlic, and I've already made the rice. It's just the Trader Joe's steamable rice, the brown rice that I always give the girls because they love it so much. So we always have that in the freezer for them. Okay, so I just added the bag of rice. I'm gonna mix that. I have my bell peppers softening in the microwave for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will stuff them, and then we'll see how hungry hubby is. If he's hungry, then I'll stick him in the oven. If not, I'll just wait until he's hungry. Alrighty, so I already stuffed them and put mozzarella cheese on top. So yummy. Hey guys, so it's 5:53, almost 6 o'clock. Hubby went to Walmart and we were out of our coffee. We just had 1 K-cup left this morning, then I drank it. There was 2. He drank 1 before work and then he left me 1, but we had to get some more coffee today. Some hair dye, because mama needs to do her roots, or her grays, not even roots, just her grays. I guess he got, I don't even know what this is, a fig bar. He must have been hungry at the store. Another thing of K-cups. Some pizzas for all of the girls. We got some smoked Atlantic salmon for some bagels and capers. We got the bagels, Epic Everything by, what is it? Dave's Bread. Regular ketchup. The last ketchup that he got was the Whataburger spicy ketchup, and so the girls can't eat that one, so that's for the girls. And then he got 2 things of iced coffee as well. You know, sometimes you need a little iced coffee in your life. And then the capers for the bagels and salmon and the spread. We already have the spread in the fridge. What? Turn off the Roomba. Turn it off. I have the Roomba going on right now because my vacuum died earlier. Also, I've been hearing a lot of great things about moon milk. I think I saw it on somebody's, who did I see it on? I saw it on somebody's,
Mama?
what, baby? Hold on, let me finish. I saw it on somebody's YouTube. I think it might have been Erin Williams. She's from Texas. And she was talking about moon milk and how it tastes super, super delicious in your iced coffees or whatever coffees. And you can only get it in Texas. So I Googled it. I found the place. I found it a couple of days ago, like last week before the weekend. And I had told hubby to stop by there and get me some because I wanted to try it. You guys know I'm all about coffee and trying new creamers. So anyway, he didn't get a chance to go because he had to work the weekend, and then it was Zia's birthday, and then it was Easter. So he didn't go yesterday. He went today, and he got me 2 things of moon milk, you guys. So that's what it looks like. And I'm super excited to try it. He got me 2. And let me tell you, it wasn't that cheap, you guys. Like, I'm gonna smell it. Oh. He goes, you better love this stuff because I got you 2, because I told him just to get me 1. He goes, you better love this stuff because I got you 2, and it's $6.50 for a 16 fluid ounce or anything. I'll show you guys tomorrow how I make my chocolate, the moon milk. So, oh my God, I'm so excited. So yeah, that's everything that we got. I already ate my bell pepper. Hubby is checking our mail because we got a package in, and that's about it.